Malaysia is located in Southeast Asia and is known for its diverse culture and natural beauty. The country is made up of two regions, Peninsular Malaysia and Malaysian Borneo. Malaysia is a constitutional monarchy with a unique system where the king is elected every 5 years among the 9 hereditary rulers of the Malay states. One of the most famous landmarks in Malaysia is the Petronas Twin Towers in Kuala Lumpur, which were the tallest buildings in the world from 1998 to 2004. Malaysia is home to some of the oldest rainforests in the world, including Taman Negara National Park, which is believed to be over 130 million years old. The cuisine in Malaysia is a blend of Malay, Chinese, Indian, Thai, Javanese, and Sumatran influences, making it one of the most diverse and delicious in the world. Penang, an island located off the northwest coast of peninsular Malaysia, is known as the food capital of Malaysia with its famous street food stalls and hawker centers. Malaysia is one of the world's largest producers of palm oil, rubber, and tin. The country is also famous for its batik fabric, which is traditionally made using a wax-resist dyeing technique. Malaysia has a tropical climate with temperatures averaging around 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit year-round, making it a popular destination for sun-seekers. The national language of Malaysia is Malay, but English is widely spoken and understood, especially in urban areas. Malaysia is a melting pot of religions, with Islam being the official religion but Buddhism, Hinduism, Christianity, and Sikhism also being practiced by its multi-ethnic population. The Malaysian flag consists of 14 stripes, representing the country's 13 states and 1 federal territory. The national flower of Malaysia is the hibiscus, which is known locally as the bunga raya. Malaysia is home to some of the world's most diverse wildlife, including orangutans, tigers, elephants, and proboscis monkeys. The country has a rich history of traditional arts and crafts, including batik, wood carving, and weaving. Malaysia is one of the world's top diving destinations, with world-class dive sites like Sipadan Island and Layang Layang. The country is also known for its vibrant festivals, including Hari Raya, Chinese New Year, Deepavali, and Christmas. Malaysia has a fast-growing economy, with key industries including electronics, automotive, and palm oil production. The Malaysian currency is the Malaysian ringgit, MYR, which is divided into 100 sen. The population of Malaysia is around 32 million people, with the majority being ethnic Malays followed by Chinese, Indians, and indigenous peoples. Malaysia has a strong history of traditional medicine, including the use of herbs and spices for healing purposes. The national dish of Malaysia is nasi lemak, a fragrant rice dish cooked in coconut milk and served with anchovies, peanuts, cucumber, and sambal. The country is known for its traditional dance forms, including the joget, zapan, and makyong. Malaysia is a popular destination for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts, with over 800 species of birds found in the country. The Malaysian state of Sarawak is home to one of the longest caves in the world, the Mola Caves, which stretches over 222 kilometers. Malaysia is one of the world's leading producers of rubber, with rubber plantations covering vast areas of the country. The Malaysian government has implemented strict conservation measures to protect its rich biodiversity, including setting up national parks and wildlife reserves. Malaysia has a diverse music scene, with traditional Malay gamelan music coexisting with modern pop, rock, and hip-hop. The country is known for its beautiful beaches, including Langkawi, Redang, and Tiaman Island. Malaysia has a thriving street food culture, with dishes like satay, roti canai, and laksa being popular among locals and tourists alike. The highest mountain in Southeast Asia, Mount Kinabalu, is located in Malaysian Borneo and is a popular destination for climbers. Malaysia is a shopping paradise, with luxury malls, boutique stores, and bustling markets offering everything from designer brands to handicrafts. The country has a strong tradition of martial arts, with Silat, Pencak Silat, and Tai Chi being popular disciplines. Malaysia has a unique traditional architecture, with wooden houses, mosques, and temples featuring intricate carvings and colorful decorations. The Malaysian state of Penang is known as the Pearl of the Orient for its rich cultural heritage and historic buildings. Malaysia is home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including Georgetown, Malacca, and Gunung Mulla National Park. The country is famous for its durian fruit, known as the king of fruits, for its strong aroma and creamy texture. Malaysia has a high literacy rate, with education being a top priority for the government. The Malaysian state of Malacca was once a bustling trading port for spice traders and is now a popular tourist destination. Malaysia has a rich tradition of storytelling, with folk tales, legends, and myths being passed down through generations. The country is known for its traditional games, including Kongkak, Gasing, and Sepak Takraw. Malaysia is a leader in Islamic finance, with Islamic banking and insurance products being widely offered. The Malaysian state of Sabah is home to the largest flower in the world, the Rafflesia, which can grow up to 1 meter in diameter. Malaysia has a strong tradition of batik painting, with intricate designs inspired by nature, folklore, and geometric patterns. The country has a vibrant film industry, with Malaysian movies and filmmakers gaining international recognition. Malaysia is a popular destination for medical tourism, with state-of-the-art hospitals and clinics offering affordable healthcare services. The Malaysian government has launched various initiatives to promote ecotourism and sustainable practices in the country. Malaysia is a multilingual society, with many Malaysians speaking 2 or more languages fluently. The country has a rich tradition of traditional healing practices, including massage, herbal remedies, and acupuncture. Malaysia is known for its colorful festivals, with elaborate decorations, performances, and feasts being held throughout the year. The Malaysian state of Sarawak is famous for its indigenous tribes, including the Iban, Bidayuh, and Orang Ulu. Malaysia has a thriving arts and culture scene, with galleries, museums, and theaters showcasing both traditional and contemporary works.